What's up, world? What's up, YouTube? I am Lalo Bellamy, and I'm Lalo at Lexus, Columbia. I am so excited to bring you along for the ride on my new YouTube channel. This channel is going to be providing helpful insights, helpful tips. I'm going to be giving advice. You can ask me questions in the comments. You can reach out to me on the number that'll be provided, so that way you can actually be featured on upcoming episodes. I'm going to provide all of the insight that I've gained over the last 8 years in the automotive business. I'm going to help you guys out because I am a husband, I'm a father, I'm a salesman, I'm a mentor, and I'm going to help you guys out because I love doing what I do. I've been voted back-to-back state's best automotive salesperson, and you know what? I'm going to provide you with some of the insights that I have. So, subscribe, hit the bell, and come along for the ride.